My name is Christy Stallop. The title of my piece is Ganador, which means winner in Spanish. And this project was sponsored by the City of Austin, and it's the Tempo 219 project. Yeah. We are roasting like sweet potatoes in the sun, waiting for some nails to take place of these 18-inch earth anchors that won't fit into the dirt. And everybody's being very nice.
It looks like we need about a foot in the ground.
In coming up with the concept for the Tempo project, I realized that I wanted to do some kind of upcycle with a lot of the tires that we have around the city. So in order to do this very large Grackle, I needed a vast amount of tires. And the place that I went to was the Yellow Bike Project. And every time I went in there, they were more than helpful to give me tires to recycle. I really hadn't been involved in public art until this Tempo project. But I realized it's important when you transform a space that is seemingly ordinary and you put something fun or quirky or beautiful, it transforms it and just makes it accessible to everybody. And I'm so happy and overjoyed that Austin actually gave me this opportunity.